Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about XRP Ripple. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over XRP Ripple and how it works. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, XRP Ripple stands out as a significant player that deserves our attention. Launched in 2012, XRP is a native digital asset of the Ripple network designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that aim to replace fiat currencies, XRP's primary purpose is to act as a bridge currency, enabling seamless transfers between different fiat currencies. As we dive into this video, we'll explore why understanding XRP Ripple is crucial in today's financial ecosystem. With the rise of digital currencies and the increasing need for efficient payment solutions, XRP offers a unique approach that could reshape how we think about money transfers. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the crypto space, grasping the significance of XRP Ripple can provide valuable insights into the future of finance. So let's unravel the complexities of XRP and discover its potential impact on global transactions. What is XRP Ripple? XRP is a digital asset created by Ripple Labs, a technology company founded in 2012. While many people use the terms XRP and Ripple interchangeably, it's important to clarify that Ripple refers to the company and its payment protocol, while XRP is the cryptocurrency that powers this network. The primary goal of Ripple is to enable fast, low-cost international money transfers, making it a vital tool for banks and financial institutions. At the heart of Ripple's technology is RippleNet, a decentralized network that facilitates real-time cross-border payments. Unlike traditional blockchain systems that rely on mining, Ripple uses a consensus mechanism involving a network of trusted validators to confirm transactions quickly and efficiently. This innovative approach allows for transactions to be settled in just a few seconds, significantly reducing the time and cost associated with international transfers. Key players in the creation of XRP Ripple include co-founders Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb, who envisioned a more efficient way to move money globally. Their vision has positioned XRP as a leading cryptocurrency in the financial landscape. How XRP works. Understanding how XRP operates is key to appreciating its role in the financial ecosystem. When a transaction is initiated using XRP, it typically involves converting one fiat currency to another through the Ripple network. This process is remarkably fast, with transactions often settling in just 3 to 5 seconds, making it one of the quickest options available for cross-border payments. The XRP ledger plays a crucial role in this efficiency. It relies on a network of validators, trusted nodes that confirm transactions and maintain the integrity of the ledger. Unlike traditional mining processes, these validators use a consensus protocol to agree on the state of the ledger, ensuring that transactions are processed swiftly and securely. One of the standout advantages of using XRP for cross-border payments is its low transaction fees, which can be a fraction of a cent. This cost-effectiveness, combined with its speed and reliability, positions XRP as an attractive solution for banks and financial institutions looking to streamline their international payment processes. XRP versus other cryptocurrencies. When comparing XRP to other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, several key differences emerge, particularly in transaction speed and fees. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours to confirm, depending on network congestion, and fees can vary significantly. In contrast, XRP transactions settle in just 3 to 5 seconds, with fees often costing a fraction of a cent, making it a more efficient option for cross-border payments. Unique use cases further distinguish XRP from Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Bitcoin primarily serves as a store of value and digital gold, and Ethereum focuses on smart contracts and decentralized applications, XRP is specifically designed for facilitating international money transfers. This targeted approach has garnered interest from banks and financial institutions looking to enhance their payment systems. In terms of market positioning, XRP has established itself as a leading cryptocurrency in the financial sector, with significant adoption rates among banks and payment providers. This focus on real-world utility sets XRP apart in the competitive cryptocurrency landscape. Use cases of XRP. XRP has carved out a significant niche in the financial sector, primarily due to its ability to provide liquidity for banks and financial institutions. By using XRP as a bridge currency, these entities can facilitate instant cross-border transactions without the need for pre-funding accounts in different currencies. This liquidity solution helps reduce operational costs and enhances the efficiency of international payments. Several partnerships and collaborations have bolstered XRP's utility. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has teamed up with numerous financial institutions, including Santander and American Express, to integrate XRP into their payment systems. These collaborations not only validate XRP's effectiveness, but also expand its reach in the global market. Real-world examples of XRP in action include the use of RippleNet by various banks to streamline remittances and reduce transaction times. For instance, the SBI Remit service in Japan utilizes XRP to enable faster and cheaper money transfers to Southeast Asia, showcasing how XRP is transforming the landscape of international finance. Regulatory landscape. The regulatory landscape surrounding XRP has been marked by significant challenges, particularly the ongoing legal battles with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs in late 2020, alleging that XRP is an unregistered security. This legal dispute has raised questions about the classification of XRP and its implications for the broader cryptocurrency market. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching consequences for XRP's future. If the court rules in favor of Ripple, it may pave the way for greater acceptance and use of XRP in the financial sector. Conversely, a ruling against Ripple could lead to stricter regulations and potentially hinder XRP's adoption. Regulations play a crucial role in shaping cryptocurrency markets as they can influence investor confidence and market stability. Clear regulatory frameworks can foster innovation and encourage institutional investment, while uncertainty can lead to volatility and hesitation among potential users. As the regulatory landscape evolves, it will be essential to monitor how these developments impact XRP and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Future of XRP. The future trajectory of XRP appears promising, especially with several upcoming developments and technological advancements on the horizon. Ripple Labs is continuously working on enhancing the RippleNet platform, focusing on improving transaction speeds and expanding its network of financial partners. Innovations such as the potential integration of smart contracts could further elevate XRP's utility in the financial sector. Market trends indicate a growing interest in XRP, particularly as more financial institutions recognize the benefits of using digital assets for cross-border payments. Investor sentiment has shown resilience, with many viewing XRP as a viable option for long-term investment, especially if regulatory clarity is achieved. Expert opinions on XRP's long-term viability vary, but many analysts believe that if Ripple successfully navigates its legal challenges and continues to foster partnerships, XRP could solidify its position as a leading digital asset in the financial landscape. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, XRP's unique use case and established partnerships may enable it to thrive amid increasing competition. In conclusion, in this video we explored the multifaceted world of XRP Ripple, highlighting its significance in the cryptocurrency landscape. We discussed how XRP functions as a bridge currency for fast and cost-effective cross-border transactions, setting it apart from other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. We also examined the regulatory challenges it faces, particularly the ongoing legal battle with the SEC, and speculated on its future trajectory amid technological advancements and market trends. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with our content by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might find it informative. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for more in-depth discussions about XRP and other digital assets. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care